iced out, tennis chains iced out, whole corners round my neck, looking like a lighthouse. Nigga pipe down, chopper make it pipe down.
Hi guys, it's Jasmyn Monet. I know it's been a long time, but you know, school, it's a lot. And then sometimes on the weekends I don't be feeling like doing anything, so I'm tired because, you know, school. So yeah, but today today I'm gonna be doing a requested video. I don't remember who it was, but a subscriber had asked me to do a half up half down tutorial, like with a bun. But all the things I'm gonna be using is a comb, conditioner. I'm using a Shea Moisture Curl and Shine conditioner, Eco Styler, the little the olive oil one, olive oil moisturizing hair lotion, my spray bottle, a brush, has some lint on it, my edge brush, and my dimming brush. Okay, so first things first is we have to make the part. I already have the part, but I still wanted to show you like how I do it somehow without messing up my part, because it takes me a long time to do this. So first, you see it's like a little, like a square rectangle thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fix it up. Okay, so now that I have the part, y'all see it? Is it even? Hold on, I think I messed up. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a rubber band and basically just gonna pull this part back. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm just gonna get my spray bottle. Okay, get my spray bottle and spray.
Hair.
Yes, hair. Huh? Hair, yes, hair.
Hair.
And I'm gonna get my dimming brush and I'm gonna brush it up.
Guys.
Now I'm gonna get my rubber band. I usually like to use a thick rubber band for the first one. So okay, so I have the base of it and I'm gonna go in with my brush and kind of just brush it up again. Okay. So you gotta do it like this. Oh, if you want to stop there, you could stop there, but now you have to do the bun part. So this is kind of the part that frustrates me, only because I be struggling trying to make a bun sometimes and it's irritating. So that's why I use my hair like this, because it's easy, you know. But okay, so you just start with this, and I usually don't make it tight. I like to make mine kind of loose, but I don't know, I feel like this isn't gonna work. Oh, okay, wait, here we go. Yay, did it! Y'all, I don't think I understand. Sometimes I be making buns and they don't work. They don't work. Okay, so after I do the bun, I go on with a rubber band. Not this one. Hi. Alright, so this is the bun. And this is like the out part. But I'm about to do like the actual. Look. Y'all. Okay. So if y'all want y'all hair to grow like mine, watch my last video about my tips to promote. Wait, what is it called? How to grow your hair fast. You already know. Get inches. Look at that. And look at this. Look. Watch this though. I'm just playing with y'all, but for real, y'all should watch that video because it has very good information in it. And it helps to keep your hair healthy, and who doesn't want healthy hair? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna split it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just put the product in there. And that's all I'm gonna be doing. Alright. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the outcome. If y'all want to see how I did my edges like this, comment below so I can do a video on them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned from it. And yeah, and I promise I won't take this long to upload again because I do have something coming up for you guys, like a series type thing. So yeah, I might come back when my hair is dry to show y'all like the finished look, but at the same time I might not. So yeah, I hope you guys, oh yeah, I have to do my my shout out. Okay. Alright y'all, I'm gonna do my shout out. I'm gonna start doing two types of shout outs. I'm gonna start doing new subscriber shout outs and positive comment shout outs, because sometimes I get, well, the thing about that is sometimes I don't see when people subscribe, but sometimes I do. So I guess that's kind of like a I don't know, kind of like an iffy situation. Like sometimes I get notified, sometimes I don't. So right now, okay, I'm gonna do my comment, and then I'm gonna scroll down my notifications to see the first okay, I found one. So today's shout out goes to Tiana Rambali, and yeah, I probably will put what she said up here, probably not right here, but somewhere on the screen. So yeah, shout out to you, girl, and I love you so much. And now for the new subscriber, shout out goes to Brianna Hayes. That's literally the first one that popped up. So yeah, I'm gonna scroll down, you know, for the next one, but since this is the first one, this is the first one, we're just gonna do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, like I said, I won't be gone this long ever again. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which can be very soon. And don't forget, if you want to see how I did this, comment down below so I can make a YouTube video, or I can give you a video on it. This kind of got messed up, but that's okay. Hold on. But anyway, but yeah, love you guys. Mwah.
I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman.